cache them. This is the procedure will be there in terms of file. So in terms of MATLAB, I say learner app will be there, export the data. Same way feature extraction block will be there, execute. Same way machine learning blocks will be there, execute. Same way result evaluation block will be there, create the confusion matrix, see the result. So based on that, various model can be created. And we can visualize which model will be best for it. So it is not necessary every time same result will come with the same model. Sometimes KNN will dominate, sometimes SVM will dominate with respect to data. Sometimes ACM classifier will dominate, sometimes ensemble learning will dominate. So we cannot assume that, depend on the data. So data pre-processing, then we have to clean the data, we have to normalize the data, then we have to just extract the feature. Then features are also we have to identify selected features, dominant features or optimal features. Then various classifier, you have to create the algorithms. Then you have to train the model. After training, you have to check the loss. Loss is going to reduce, accuracy is going to increase, and various performance metrics will be computed, like confusion matrix. So classification report will be generated. After saving, the model will be trained model. Then you can use that model for unseen data. That is testing. Okay, so this way we are going to see certain program. So just half an hour, please execute the program already there in the system. Just see the process will be given by the scholars, and please perform the activity. So please start and execute. Okay, so half an hour, 45 minutes, just do it. After that, you want to access the system for your other work, research work. Until 5 o'clock.
On your desktop. On your desktop, like 4 folder is already installed. Just go to Anaconda platform. The Anaconda software is installed. Press that one. After that, you can see this kind of environment. That, as sir was saying, we will be having different interfaces where Jupyter Notebook, Lab, and R-Code, RStudio, everything like Spider. So what is flexible to you, you will be using, and mostly we will be using with the Jupyter Notebook. Say this Jupyter Notebook to press that launch one thing. Press that. Press the Jupyter Notebook launch. I'll open this Anaconda one now. It all got disturbed. Did all got this one? This is like how your Jupyter Notebook will be open in a local repository where if you don't require any net also, already predefined course will be executed. So, and here you can see something like new upload. If you want to upload any like already .py files, you can press that upload file and you can open directly. And here you can see this option where if you want to type any new kind of code, you can press this new one. So then it will be opening like this. So it is a platform where here the Jupyter notebook will be visible. This is called as cell, where you can type the codes. Basic codes could be typed here, and here you can untitled one, you can press here so that you can name your specific folder file. If you want to program something like that, you can rename those things. And you can type some, you has server saying that if you want to type any simple print one, type one basic any small marker code. Then after that, you can press shift enter. Then it will be executed. Right? Did it all got this print high? Yes. So similar thing. Here you can see this run, and you can see different files also, editing, insert cell, tensors. This is basic where codes, bulk codes could be executed, and when you are doing code, if you do in a part wise, cell wise, that will be very easy for you to sort the error where it is. Right? So this is simple how the Jupyter notebook will be visible for you guys. Now we will be opening 3 different codes which we already executed. Go back. Now desktop, you can press this desktop one. Here you can see codes one folder. Already few codes which are executed has been placed on your desktop. Open that codes folder, and here you can see like forecasting and time series kind of data. .py files could be visible here. You can press this time series forecasting data folder, and you can run one, this all like already server saying you few libraries, right? You can see that libraries, pandas, numpy, matplotlib. So matplotlib for your graphical visualization, numpy for numerical operation, pandas for some numerical operations. This is how if you do in each and every cell, first you insert all the libraries, then after that, while you are running, you can press shift enter. Right? And later, first step could be loading your data. So in folder also already 3 different codes were also loaded also.
Madam, you need to know Jupyter notebook, right, ma'am?
In code folder we kept data set also. One see how the data set is there, how this model is giving, how it is executing. Simple see, because before while you are doing anything, first libraries are must, then data should be pre-processed, then what we want to extract exactly, we need to identify those things. Then we will be applying specific model. It could be CNN, deep learning, some other model. Then we will be doing some prediction kind of thing. So that this has only simple data set what we took, XGBoost algorithms applied for forecasting kind of data. Just try to learn basic codes, how it will be, something like that. Just visualize the thing. And data set is on, and 2 codes are there, right, Priya? We have 2 codes, no? You can see 3 codes are there. Please run that 3 codes. Maximum it will learn running itself. You won't face any error, but explore the things how they are installing in each and every cell. What is going on? Just observe those things. Okay, it's happening for you. See the 3 codes you do. 3 codes you guys can do. It's open. So this is first thing how library services because from basic we need not to write the code. We will be taking few already 3 different codes where in these libraries it will be there. So when we will be required, we will be calling those libraries and reading. This is how we are reading our data CSV file. Data could be in images, data could be in tables, and data could be in some other format. Now here the data maximum will be in CSV tabulated form. So that data you can see this data set in desktop also folder. So that data is loaded here. Then it was given with date time label kind of thing. So this is, and we are seeing how data is visible. What are the extra features are there? So based upon specific time, we will be predicting if any like temperature, humidity kind of thing is there, what will be like what could be your power consumption. Some other unknown parameters there, but based upon previous data, we will be analyzing. It could be happen like this if any parameters are. That is the advantage of machine learning, where and any missing values we can identify, something like that. So this is just simple.
We need to navigate to the desktop folder now from the
Yeah, go to desktop.
And next, this is data, and this is any missing values to call or something like that we will be doing. And this is like correlation matrices. These are like different labels we have. And this is confusion matrix. So on previous classes, sir was saying about the confusion matrix also, no? Based upon that only we will be analyzing exactly true, positive, true, negative values. We will be finding our accuracy. Our main intention is to predict something which is like based upon the previous data. That prediction could be possible and analyzed using this confusion matrix itself. So if you are predicting two kind of thing, we will be having 2 by 2 matrix. If with 3 kind of prediction, 3 cross 3 matrix. So your true, positive, true, negative kind of calculation could be done and accuracies could be there. That matrix also you can see that. Based upon the data, coinciding with current and event something like that. So I will have a model or a calculation based upon the model. Just a calculation and rate calculation because like we have this based on and how this basic flow time series data visualization should be taken. This and description also written there. You can read those description also. Collab also. In online collab also we can do. In collab, today I will share one link to you where basic course will be there. How many of you know collab using? Google collab using? So I will be sharing those. In that, just load the data, see that regression, SVM basic will be there. Once you do hands-on practice, tomorrow if you have any queries, we'll do that. I will share that everything code will be there, data will be there. In collab, you need to open and load the data and execute that. Change the path and do. That's it. And all of the certificates details are fine to you now, right? Whoever here? Doubt? Because I will be sharing the certificate details to today. Exactly, we know that this if you this one is dog, this categories will be giving. That only we can types of category are given. But in this like mixing that dog cat is there, some other animals and the butterflies are there. In that separate the output labels we are not giving. Without giving specific reason, that we will update actually. Very updated in that put the so what label and mixed. This mixed one is random. So this is error will be happening mixed. Then you have to update the library. Sorry, collab will be automatically label and unlabeled. So we can have examples of the kind of
what they have provided, so unlimited storage and everything. So I can directly switch to collab.
And then education qualifications,
Yeah, that will be that's an unlimited storage college is providing us.
Unless until you are using like image data set and very big data set, those still it will slow, but otherwise Colab is fine. Storage is fine, Colab is fine.
So if a person is having the PhD with 10 years of experience, he can sponsor 70 to 80,000. If a person is having MTech, 15 years of experience, he can expect
And they have section from the
somehow I am select a person using PhD who is having 4 years of experience. I need to know my salary. So how will you do this prediction? I will apply some machine learning algorithm. I will give this data to a system and model will be understanding what are my features, these are features. What I need to predict, salary I need to predict. This model will be plotting some graph. You can understand how this prediction, but internally much mathematical will be going on. Simply like saying that, but internally much mathematical operation will be going. That's so that deeply later when you are going towards this work, you will be understanding. So some it will be having some which are having like 20 to 30 maybe plotting some cluster something like that. So if they want to have 4 years, it will be middle. So it will be doing some KNN. So it will be mapping which is near. It is near to this one. So it will be giving some 50 to 60. Based on the algorithm, we need to understand what is the mechanism behind the algorithm, which algorithm is useful for specifically predictions and other kind of things. That analysis, if we are going to deep, if we are doing towards this deeply understanding about one algorithm, then we will be understanding. So for this we have different features, right? In this kind of features, exactly we know to find external and output and exactly power consumption and the we want to get. So based upon this, I will do this prediction. In that we will be calling training and testing. Exactly our data will be 100%. 70% could be training. Because without training, our model cannot understand data. So it will be reading and understanding the data. And 30% would be testing, which is in exam. Suddenly if you are going to teaching in classroom, we will be giving 100% will be teaching. But 70% known syllabus, 30% unknown syllabus will be. If a person performing the 30% very goodly, then the model students are good, right? If a person known question, if I give that is useless, obviously they are getting good marks. That is the model. So if we train in this is not good. Obviously known paper is given for you, 100% will be writing good. If an unknown paper is given for you, then also if you are getting good accuracy, then that system is called good accuracy. So our model must be like that. So still we have machine learning with deep learning. Deep learning is still with a computer where much huge and complex kind of data, like image kind of thing, still deeper. You want to analyze, still deep analysis could be done. Then we will go for deep learning data. All are interfaced into one search. We will be taking some time to understand, not that much simple, but slowly, at least you can know like overview like what will be the how some terminology you will learn. So start learning all these things individually, creatively. We need to train them on data, it will understand, it will predict something what will do. This could be done in MATLAB, Anaconda platform. So tomorrow we will see MATLAB. MATLAB is still very simple code. In here we will be writing all codes. No, in MATLAB we won't write any codes. We will give data set and there are already 3 different classifiers and equations will be there. Just we need to know. We need to divide this training and testing and then we will do.
But one point, ma'am, if we are doing MATLAB, for example, some sort of PhD work,
Not that much useful. Accepted, but not that much. Only we have MATLAB regression and classification kind. Deep learning separate again we need to do coding itself.
okay.
Hey, it is accepted. But not that much. అంటే రీజన్స్ సిస్టమ్ యూజ్ ఇలాంటి కాంప్లెక్స్ నెట్వర్క్ డెవలప్ చేయాలంటే మళ్ళీ మాట్లాడలో డీప్ లెర్నింగ్ సపరేట్గా మళ్ళీ ఇంటర్లింక్ చేసుకుంటూ ఉంటుంది బట్ క్లాసిఫికేషన్ రిగ్రెషన్ బేసిక్ దాట్స్ వాట్ నాట్ ఫర్ పిహెచ్డి ఫర్ దిస్ జనరల్ లోకల్ కాన్ఫరెన్స్ పర్పస్ ఇట్ విల్ బి దట్ testing the model got 78% accuracy or 95% accuracy. How can you say this thing?
our system is saying this thing based upon the calculation of confusion matrix. So so if you want to only dog and cat, like cat jacket, two classification, albion 2 cross 2 matrix. Here it is having many, that's why it is having many features. No? How many what you want to print, that many it will be having that type of 9 to 9 cross confusion matrix will be there. So what is this 2 cross 2 will be true cross 2, false cross 2, false cross 2. We will be doing total samples will be divided in this 2 by 2 with exactly if it's my samples only 120. 120 equal will be distributed. So that's what the model of training it will be giving us. Accuracy equal to total true positive. I think really so the true positive true negative by total samples. By total. So that will give us some percentage. So that is called accuracy. So we will be doing evaluation manual. After doing everything, we need to analyze what is happening. That analysis could be possible. That is called evaluation. Recall, accuracy, and correlation, intervention between one and one. Because after doing everything, at least we need to give some analysis kind of thing. That kind of thing, we will make some evaluation kind of things. In that we can see that all we have 10 to 15 features, but only few features are very important for your model. For the words and that for classification also, eyes and the specific feature is fine. And any texture color is fine. Remaining all features are not that much important. Which are more important. We will be seeing, we have some selection models also, feature selection model. If specific features are giving similar kind of accuracy, then why to train with 100 features? When training with 100%, taking more time, getting 78. When trained with same 4 features, same 78 and get it. Right? Your time is saving, right? We will know exactly what are good features which we will be using for our prediction. That are the feature selection methods to do that. Which are like more important, much important. What are the essential things they are taking, which will impact our prediction or analysis kind of thing. Yes. That one we are seeing the values how it is now we can only specific features that one and some pre-process kind of thing. Some we are doing some plotting, rolling the values, these are features kind of thing. Because a model will be mean, median, variance, all these mathematics, all these standard deviation, all this are like feature kind of calculation for the system to understand. So now I was saying this one. In year one it is saying this is near, that's why it is to prediction. How this near calculation is done based upon mean, median, various kind of thing. There the mathematical will be internal purely mathematical will be involved. Outstanding you can't understand. Internal mathematical will be involved and based on that we will be
ఎవరు దాని గురించి మాట్లాడట్లేదు. కాలేజీలో ఎవరు దాని గురించి ఏం మాట్లాడట్లేదు. ఏది లేకుండా నాకు
And instruction has been given and I mean lab ki ever in charge unnaru, they have to take care of everything. అది అదే కమ్యూనికేట్ చేసేస్తారు. అగైన్ NBA పని అవుతుంది కాలేజ్ అండ్ ఆల్ ఆర్ ఫోకస్ ఆన్ దట్ ఓన్లీ. ఏదో మీటింగ్స్ ఏ రోజు కూడా ఏదో అవుతుందంట. సో దే ఆర్ ఫోకసింగ్ టు దట్ థింగ్. ఐ థింక్ టుమారో ఇట్ విల్ బి అగైన్ you're focusing on this thing.
ఇంటర్నల్గా జరిగింది BA.
So,
ఇంటర్నల్ బ్యాక్ వెరిఫికేషన్ జరుగుతుంది.
okay, okay.
బ్యాక్ వాళ్ళు వచ్చి డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఫైల్స్ వెరిఫై చేస్తారు. అలా ఏదో CSC వాళ్ళకి అన్నమాట.
So tomorrow morning again at same morning we'll be having hands-on here first. Afternoon we'll go for hall. Morning you gather here itself. Morning tomorrow we'll do on MATLAB. And I'll share that link also. You can practice that link also. Collab link. Please come 5-10 minutes early itself. Sir is getting angry. Please come 5-10 minutes early. Okay? Just 1 or 2 days to go. You'll be getting energy. Okay? Thank you all.